Greetings! In this video, we'll guide you through the process of registering for classes. Should you experience any challenges or come across unclear error messages, don't hesitate to reach out to the registrar's office. They're happy to assist you each step of the way. The first thing to do is log into the Dominican Okta. Type dominican.okta.com into the search bar of your web browser and sign on with your student username and password. This will take you to Dominican's Okta page. On this page, you can view applications, resources, and information that Dominican students and faculty use. Now that you've logged into Okta, locate the application named Elucian Colleague Self-Service. It should look something like this. After launching the app, you will be welcomed to the home page of our self-service system. Here on self-service, you will have access to viewing your student finances and payments, financial aid, courses and scheduling, transcripts and grades, and graduation planning. For this video, we will primarily focus on how to register for classes. To add classes, go to the sidebar to the left-hand side and click on Academics, then click on Course Catalog. To look up courses using the course number, you can click Advanced Search, select your desired term, and then input the course information provided by your advisor, located under Courses and Sections. To do this, you have to select the subject and input the correct course number in the space provided. By pressing the search button at the bottom of this page, you will see available courses that match your search criteria. On this page, you can see the course number and name, how many credits the course is, as well as a course description. After locating the correct course, click on Available Sections to access details such as class dates, times, instructors' names, and location. Keep an eye out for a $sign next to the course number, indicating additional fees for that course. To schedule the course, click Add Section to schedule. You can repeat this process for any other course. If the selected course you are trying to add is full, you will need to manually add yourself to the class waitlist. Alternatively, if you do not know the course number, you can browse classes by their subject. To do this, click on Subject Search on the course catalog, and then select the subject that you want. You will be given a wide variety of courses, but ensure that you filter the search by selecting the correct term. Once you've added all your courses, return to the Academics tab on the sidebar. Then select Student Planning and Plan and Schedule. Ensure you're viewing the correct term to see your added courses. The courses that you've added are now in your cart and are ready to be approved by your advisor. Once you've met with your advisor, they will clear you to register. You will be notified once you are cleared via your student email. On your scheduled date to register, you will see a Register Now box on the homepage of Elucian. Click on the Register button, check off the boxes for the approved courses you plan to take. Click on Register to submit and finalize the registration process. If you decide to drop a class, you can return back to your schedule. Click the Drop button under the class that you plan to drop. Double-check the course you've selected, and then you can submit. You can also message your advisor through the Advising tab. Here you can compose and view messages that your advisor may have sent to you. Congrats! You've completed online registration with Dominican University of California. If you have any further questions, please contact your advisor or the registrar's office.